So as a beginner, you might be a freelancer or a business owner. That's no problem. But if you understand if you want to start work on Klaviyo, then at first you have to understand the flow. So there are total 7 flow. Right now we are talking about welcome flow, but you have to understand what is welcome flow, what is functionality, and how does it work. And the thing is, you are a new business owner in market. You have a new website, you don't have any email list. Then what you will do? At first you have to think how you will collect your mail from your customers. So I can give you some 2 ideas. And under the audience section, you will if you go to your profile, you will find there are some mail you are collecting here. For every email marketing tools, this kinds of synchronization works here. Look here, I'm trying to tell, it's telling that on our homepage to adding following this URL, replacing. Okay, I'm copying this email, copy this link, I mean UTM, urgent tracking method. I am pasting it to my store. And where is my store? Okay, if I put this UTM tracking and change it to like uh, American, just write the American and give enter. And if you back to our Klaviyo dashboard and reload it, and just wait few minutes. Look here, the mail. We have got this mail here. We have got the mail here. So that's the thing. That's the thing. The thing is very important. How uh, how for a business owner or as a freelancer, if you want to give service to your client, you have to very clear how you are collecting mail, and is it subscribed or it's coming from abandoned cart. So the thing is different for a different situation. If someone join into our mail list via welcome, then we have to use a different strategy. And when someone will give his mail for purchasing or abandon cart, then we will use the different strategy. So right now we will practice a welcome series flow, but before that you have to understand the matter, when it works and what is the purpose. You have to be very clear it. So when it's work, when someone subscribe to your mail list for the first time, that means when if someone give the sign up, give his mail for sign up, or and another thing is purpose to introduce. It's telling that you have to understand how and when your welcome series work and how we will work. I mean, what kinds of content. So here is it's telling to introduce new subscribers, offer a welcome discount and and present your brand. So I am going to set up a welcome mail, but it's very easy setup on Klaviyo. We go back to Klaviyo, look here. Already they have set it a automated flow. Just we have to select it and use it. But we can also a new create welcome series from by build your own. If you want to create a new welcome series, you can also. But it's better because Klaviyo is knowledgeable already to us, and it's better to use their welcome series flow easily. So right now I am using the welcome series. So what you have to do at first, you have to use it. Just click on it. So it's telling select a trigger. We will discuss about trigger later, but it's telling about to select a list. I mean, when someone give his mail, where they will join. So it's I have created a previous list. It's called all profile. I have selected it and just click on next, and automatically mail is presenting here. So right now I'm skipping up no offering coupon set, and nothing more, just basic setup. Try to understand the basic setup and how you will edit on it. uh, that is the magic. So click on continue. So your flow is being created. Wait. So the thing is, when someone subscribe, like I am giving a mail here, something like that, and submit, or sorry, sign up. They will receive my mail, and what they will do. So there are some functionalities. It's very easy. So I'm giving you short tips. Like, I want to, when someone give mail, I want to stay 1 hour. That is called time delay. I'm going to add a time delay and adding a number. It's hours. It was one. So going to set up a time delay. Time delay, that means how long time you will stay. Wait, actually. So there are three options: day, hours, minute. I'm selecting minutes. I'm putting 20 minutes and save it. It's saving. Wait 20 minutes automatically. And well, this is the welcome. The main thing. It's very important to set up this mail. So when you click on this mail, that is into the right side corner, it will pop up a new window. You will also subject and reader. It's very important. This thanks line, thanks for signing up. You have to give a specific subject line, and also you will able to edit a template. If you want, also if you want, you can create a new template from here. So here is an it's easy to edit it from here. So I'm going to click on edit. So, so text. So where is our body? We can remove it. Here is a call to action button. Just for test, you can edit it and just save it. You can also update your logo. So you can exit it, or you can preview your test. Just exit it. So your mail is ready and done. What happened here? When someone join our mail list or sign up, after 20 minutes, the flow will trigger automatically. That's the setting up of your welcome email. Thank you.